Wondered how data flows between devices. Basic types of communication, and that is simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Whether you are a student, technician, we this video we will guide you simply and everything. Transmission mode is also known as communication modes. What is transmission modes? Transmission modes means the transferring data between both devices. Simplex mode. In simplex mode, communication is unidirectional, like a one-way stick. Examples: keyboard and traditional monitors. Advantages: 1. Easiest and reliable. 2. Most cost-effective. 3. No need error connection. Disadvantages: 1. Only one-way communication. 2. Not suitable for bidirectional communication. Half duplex mode. On behalf of half duplex mode, each device can receive and transmit, but not the same time. Example: walkie-talkie, where message can send in one direction. Advantages: 1. Allows bidirectional communication. 2. More efficient than simplex. 3. Less expensive. Disadvantages: 1. Both devices cannot transmit at the same time. 2. There is a delay between transmission and reception. 3. There is a need for coordination between the transmitting and receiving devices. Full duplex mode. In full duplex mode, both sections can transmit and receive simultaneously. Here, the signals going in one direction share the capacity of the link with signals going in another direction. This sharing can occur in two ways. Either the link must contain two physically separate transmission paths, one for sending and the other for receiving, or the capacity is divided between signals traveling in both directions. Full duplex mode is used when communication in both directions is required all the time. The capacity of the channel, however, must be divided between the two directions. Example: telephone network, which there is communication between two persons by telephone line, through which both can talk and listen by the same time. At the same time. Advantages of full duplex mode. 1. Full duplex mode allows for simultaneous bidirectional communication, which is ideal for real-time applications such as video conferencing or online gaming. 2. It is the most efficient mode of communication, as both devices can transmit and receive data simultaneously. The full duplex mode provides a high level of reliability and accuracy, as there is no need for error correction mechanism. Disadvantages of full duplex mode. 1. Full duplex mode is the most expensive mode, as it requires two communication channels. 2. It is more complex than simplex and half duplex, as it requires two physically separate transmission path or a division of channel capacity. 3. Full duplex mode may not be suitable for all applications, as it requires a high level of bandwidth and may not be necessary for some types of communication. These are the differences between simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Conclusion: transmission modes enable communication between devices and are classified into three types. Flex mode, which allowing unidirectional communication, and It's cost effective but supports only one-way data transfer. Half duplex mode. Which allows bidirectional communication but not simultaneously, offering a balance between efficiency and cost, and full duplex mode, which enables simultaneous two-way communication, providing the highest efficiency and reliability, but is most complex and expensive. Thanks for watching the video. If you learn knew anything, please give a like and subscribe the channel. Our next topic will be transistor.